So, good day ma'am, I am Clifford Cubero, and today I will discuss or return discuss the traffic ecology and economy, the 5 pillars of traffic management, the study of potentially disastrous pollution, explosion, changes in urban environment due to the scale and density of new urban concentration and new activities carried out, air pollution, water pollution, and crowding, especially transport congestion, which result therein. So, study ko na sila sa mga problema sa mga sakuna sa paghamok ng pollution, mga pagbago sa environment, sa community, tungod sa dako na density ng pagbago sa urban concentration, and sa mga bago na activities na ay carried out sa air pollution, water pollution, and especially sa overcrowding and transportation. So next is environmental effects of traffic development. So noise, vibration, water pollution, dirt, visual extrusion, loss of privacy, changes in amount of light. Next is neighborhood severance, relocation, destruction during planning and construction, accident experiences, pedestrian journey, congestion and other benefits to vehicles. Next is laws concerning traffic ecology. PD providing for prevention, control, abatement of air pollution from motor vehicles. So ang PD 118 is ang mga balaod na para malikayan o makontrol ang pollution sa hangin na gikan sa motor vehicles. Next is LOI 551, directing law enforcement agencies to implement the pollution control programs. So ang LOI 551, so gidirect sa mga law enforcement agencies para ma-implement o para ma-programa para sa pag-control sa pollution. Next is RA 8749, the Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999. So on RA 8749, amo ni para matili na limpyo ang mga hangin sa Pilipinas. Next is traffic economics. This focuses on how traffic system impacts an area's economic prosperity and productivity, pricing, and supply. Heavily traffic congestion can significantly affect productivity and businesses. The ability to receive essential supplies and uncongested traffic system boosts economic value by ensuring smooth access for workers and supplies. So nga di is focus sila sa kung ano na apekto ang isa ka sistema sa traffic sa isa ka area. Kung lala ko ng isa ka traffic, mao ang amoy ni hinay mo trabaho o may mga problema sa ang isa ka negosyo sa pagkuha ng mga supply. So kung dili man traffic ang isa ka area, mapadali ang trabaho o madali ang pag ila negosyo sa isa ka area. So traffic accident and traffic investigation, traffic management and accident investigation with driver. So may anong kabuok? 1. kinds of traffic accident. 2. Road traffic vehicle collisions. 3. Chain of events vehicular accident. 4. Classification motor vehicle traffic accidents. 5. Accident investigation. 6. Defensive driving. So next, traffic accident. This is an occurrence in a sequence of events which usually produce unintended injury, death, or property damage and transportation in a traffic way. So, amo ini sa panitabo na sunod-sunod ang panghitabo na kasagaran wala tuyo or wala makadaot kuan like injury, death, or property damage and travel transportation on a traffic way. Next is traffic accident. Elements may pagkabuok, no intent or malice but surprise. So wala ko no intention sa pagkakuan, accident or malice but surprise. Number 2, involving a traffic unit. So involve ang isa ka traffic unit. Number 3, must occur on a traffic way. So kinahanglan may tabo siya sa traffic way da. Number 4, causes death, injury, or property damage. So nakakos siya ng pagkamatay, injury, or property damage. So next is traffic accident investigation. How many and 5 Ws and 1 H? What, who, and what was involved? Where, when, how, and why? So classification of motor vehicle traffic accident according to K event. So running off road, characterized by a motor vehicle falling on the roadside or on a cliff along mountains roads. So ang isa kakuan sa kanan na muliko na mulaw sa gawas sa kalsada o mahog sa isa ka bangin or kuan cliff sa bukid. So next is non-collision na road. Amini ang isa ka disgrasya na may tabo sa kalsada na way banggaan. Collision in a road includes all forms of accident as long as there in a collision. So amini tanan na disgrasya na basta may tabo na banggaan. So everyone involved is curious about the causes and circumstance of the accident. So ang kanan ko na panitabo na aksidente is basta tanan na makibawo na tinuod na panitabo o way o unsay inungdan sa isa ka disgrasya. So claims attorneys and adjuster want to determine negligence on the part of the drivers involved in the accident so that damage claims can be properly adjusted.